What could go wrong? Hot donkey's milk base into this little Pyrex. Oh, that's perfect. Hello! We're gonna make some melt and pour soap. If you've made soap the more traditional way with lye, the whole process takes forever to cure and then you're dealing with lye. So this melt and pour option is a more straightforward, easy, user-friendly way to make really beautiful soap that's so nourishing for your skin and your body and your mind. And if you're like me, I love a good, quick DIY project. We decided to go with a premium soap base. We got this off of Amazon. It's a natural soap base, triple butter. I mean, doesn't that sound luxurious? 100% natural ingredients. It's creamy, easy to customize. We have gone ahead and cut this block into smaller chunks. We've already melted it, so it's easier to do this recipe a little faster with you. So we're gonna measure out 1 tablespoon plus 1.5 tablespoons of pomegranate seed oil. There's 1, and we're gonna do half. We're gonna do our 40 drops of lime right here. Wow, that lime is beautiful. That lime is so stunning. And I'm gonna use 30 drops of our sandalwood. Here we go. I'm gonna take the vetiver. We're doing just 10 drops of vetiver. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay. I've got my essential oils in there. I've got my pomegranate seed oil in there. Oh my goodness, I can't even tell you how good this smells. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, now I'm just gonna put 1.5 teaspoons of green clay in here. Woo, that'll do it. All right, here we go. Let's mix this up, get that all mixed in. That green clay is gonna help to draw out any kind of impurities or toxins. That pomegranate oil is gonna be just soothing on our skin. Okay. Let's go ahead and dump this in here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that's so fun. Let's go ahead and blend that up. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. There's donkey's milk in this soap base, which may or may not be your favorite. I think it's great. I think why not? You can find soap bases that are vegan. You can find soap bases without donkey milk. We are not worried or scared of that, but it's an unusual product for sure. Okay, let's pour it into this little Pyrex. Here we go. What could go wrong? Hot donkey's milk base into this little Pyrex. Oh, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna pour this into our molds carefully. Are you ready? Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that's great. That is great. It smells divine. I have all kinds of oval molds. You can get any kind of molds you want. This is gonna set up in an hour and it will be ready to go. You could take the oatmeal and you could sprinkle it on top. Should we? Yeah, let's do it. Oatmeal is so good if you've got any kind of eczema going on or skin issues. If I wanted to quickly crush up these rose petals, I could do that too and put it on top of there. You know, sometimes you just gotta say yes. Say yes to stuff. Those are gorgeous. You can use a different carrier oil. You could use coconut, you could use jojoba, you could use olive oil, you could use really any carrier in here. You could use any combination of essential oils. So yeah, that is so much fun. I wanna say thank you. We're so happy that you're here. Bye for now, and we will see you next time.